In this video, I will tell you best home remedies to get rid of frizzy hair naturally at home permanently. Number 1. Use almond oil and egg. You will need 1/4 cup of almond oil and 1 raw egg. Combine the almond oil and egg until you get a smooth mixture. Optionally, you can just whisk the egg and apply it to your hair. Section your hair and start applying the mixture to your scalp and through the length of your hair. Wait for 40 to 30 minutes and then rinse your hair as usual. Use a good shampoo. Apply this once in a week. Number 2 is coconut oil and vitamin E. You will need 1 part vitamin E oil and 4 parts organic cold pressed coconut oil. Mix both the oils and pour them into a airtight container to be stored. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil depending on the length of your hair. Apply it all on your scalp and through the length of your hair. Wash your hair about 40 minutes. Number 3 and last home remedy is lemon and honey. You will need 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons honey and 1 cup water. Combine all the ingredients and pour them through freshly washed hair. Massage your scalp for a couple of minutes and then let the mixture sit for an additional 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.